In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find painters in Houzz 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to narrow results to your area, and what details to look for on each painter's profile so you can feel confident choosing the right pro for your project. Start by opening your web browser and going to houzz.com. On the home page, look to the top navigation bar. You'll see a section dedicated to professionals. Open the Find Pros area in that top menu. This is where Houzz organizes service providers so you can quickly get to the type of help you need. Inside that area, head to the Services section. This breaks down pros by the kind of work they do. From here, choose Painters. Selecting Painters takes you straight to the category page that lists painting professionals, making it faster to zero in on companies that focus on interior, exterior, or specialty paintwork. Next, set your location. You'll typically see a box or prompt to enter your city, region, or zip code. Type in the area where the work will take place. This ensures you only see businesses that actually serve your neighborhood. Right after that, fine-tune the search radius. If you want lots of options, expand the radius a bit. If you prefer nearby crews for easier scheduling and potential travel savings, keep it tighter. Don't be afraid to adjust this until the results feel just right. A small change can reveal excellent local options you might otherwise miss. Now scroll through the list of painting companies. Each result usually shows the business name, rating, number of reviews, a short description, and a selection of project photos. Take a moment to note the overall star rating and how many people have reviewed them, since a strong rating with more reviews gives a fuller picture. Photos can be especially helpful. Look for projects similar to yours, such as exterior facades, cabinet refinishing, or detailed trim work. When one catches your eye, click to open the full profile. Here you can see the official business name, a phone number for direct calls, a website link for deeper research, and a physical or service area address so you know they cover your location. This page often includes a gallery of completed projects, detailed service descriptions, and homeowner reviews. Read a few recent reviews to understand communication style, punctuality, cleanliness, and how they handle touch-ups or warranty questions. Also check for notes on specialties, certifications, or insurance mentions. That's the whole process. Go to Houzz, open Find Pros, choose Services, select Painters, set your location and radius, browse results, and open Profiles to review key details. Use these pages to build a short list, then compare experience, photos, and feedback to pick the painter that fits your project best.